weather is fantastic. It's like 70 degrees. Bikes are steady rolling in now. The weather is fantastic. I'm gonna walk you around the parking lot and show you a little bit about what the South Mexico life is like, guys. That is one good looking H2 right there. Wow. You gotta make sure you get the H2 in the H2 crowd. There he is, the famous Damian Emilio, Super H2. Super H2 on Instagram. Check him out. One of 650E's, buddy. That's right. You know what I mean? H2 crowd clan. This is Damian's bike right here. Oh. Was it like name brand or was it Walmart? I think it still might be snow on the ground at home. About to get something to eat. Let's see if we can get into some action maybe tonight. Who knows? Let's see what happens. Guys, Bike Night in South Mexico getting crazier and crazier by the minute. Look at this stuff. 100% street legal in Mexico. These guys got it made down here. It's like 9 o'clock at night. T-shirt, 70 degrees, January. Oh, why do I gotta go back to South Carolina? All right, guys, we made it to the spot in South Mexico. You can see it's nice and dark.
Now you're ready.
Now you can, why can't you see, guys? Anyways, we are about to unload. We got a locked-in race with a BMW S1000 RR, and then immediately after that, we are going to run a ZX10 with our GSX-R 1000. This belongs to our buddy's bike. There she is. We're gonna show it to you in the dark a little bit. Let's see what happens. All right, boys, they just rolled out. There they go. BMW S1000 RR. We don't want too much. The light pole right there is the finish line. So it's a half-mile race. More miles be in the streets. Round one. Let's see what we can do with the BMW. Here they go. Suzuki versus BMW. Let's see what happens. Pretty close race. Looks real close. BMW is out front. BMW is out front. Damn good race. All right, guys. So we just talked to the rider. Wheelied a little bit on that run. The BMW got out in front. He could not run them down on the GSX-R. We're about to run a ZX10 now. See how it does. Same GSX-R 1000. And then immediately after that race, we're gonna run the BMW back again for a little more money. There they go, boys. They going to line them up now. They coming right back to the side. Let's see what happens. Here they come. I only heard one bike go. Somebody must have jumped the line. Let's see what happened. I think this is only one bike. Yeah, the other bike did not go.
fucking 15 bikes before the sign. I'm gonna show you the video.
Damn. So we had another jump this time. About to rerun the race again. First time wasn't clear on where the starting line was. This time he said he jumped before the thing. See what the other guy comes back.
I don't think we need a fucking flagger.